Is this gonna get me demonetized? Happy Vlogmas Day 12. Today I'm opening up weird Christmas gifts and I'm a little bit like, I don't know what to expect because Raul bought a bunch of weird gifts that you would receive on Christmas, just like funky stuff. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. I feel like he would throw something in there to like freak me out. I don't know. I'll link the gifts down below if you guys want to get them for somebody because I heard they're pretty weird. It's like Christmas morning, honey. So without further ado, let's see what my man got me. Okay, so we have this one. I don't know why I'm nervous. I don't know why. First up, oh my God. I feel so bad just like ripping these open right now because they look so pretty. Okay, there is no way Raul wrapped these. I am 100% sure that Alex behind the camera wrapped these.
You know it.
What is this? Okay. What's this? What the heck? Wait, is this like an actual butt? Like this is like a piggy bank or what? A Fanny Bank? Oh my God, this is so funny. Drop some loot and hear me too. 6 hilarious fart sounds. It fart? Wait. Okay, this is really weird. Who the heck even? What? What the heck is this? Wait, it's literally a butt. Oh my gosh. Okay, thick queen, go off. Is this gonna get me demonetized? It's a toy. So you insert money. So it's a piggy bank, right? Oh my God, it literally farts. Wait, so every time you put money in it, it farts? Does it make a new noise every time? Wait, I'm gonna just poke it. So every time you put money in this, it's gonna fart. Amazing. We love her. We stan a thick queen. Why is this like actually me? So you could just press the button on the belt. Why did that sound like a baby? Okay, sweetie, this is the weirdest thing. Where the heck did he find these gifts at? Wow. Hashtag me after McDonald's. Okay, so this is the first one. Oh my gosh, I'm not giving this away to anybody. This little thick boy is all mine. Okay, so that was the first one and that was very interesting. So exciting, so many gifts. Ooh, there's the little one. It really feels like Christmas, but weird. What the heck is this? The screaming goat? Wait, is it really just like a little screaming goat? A pocket guide. Dare we assume how you ended up with this goat kit in your hands? Now please accept my apology on behalf of the world. I just want to know, like, are these companies like trolls? Like, do they all just make weird stuff, you know? This is literally what it does. It just screams. This? Who the heck wants this for Christmas? Actually, you know, I feel like my nephew would low-key love this. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. I don't understand this. I wouldn't even give this to anybody in my family because I would just hate hearing it. I'm actually digging the butt bank, but like this one, I don't know. I don't know what to open up next. Okay, this one looks cool. What's this? Pocket disco. Take the party with you. Wait, is this like a little disco ball? Because I'm all about it. This is actually genius. So you just connect it like if it was a charger. I mean, it's obviously really lit in here, so you can't really tell, but I'm pretty sure. Let's wait for later on, and I'll insert a clip right here. Oh, it is a party in here, honey. Okay, this thing is low-key freaking lit. This is the best gift I've gotten so far, okay? I'm so excited about this. My friends and I, we getting lit tonight, okay? Who the heck invented this? Plug Life. Iconic.
Is it really Plug Life?
Yeah, literally it's called Plug Life. Let's move on. Oh my God, it's me. I'm dying. Wait, is this supposed to be in the video? It's my squishy kit. That's not a weird gift at all. If anything, it's the perfect gift. Go get it at Target. I didn't even know this was gonna be in here, but now that we got it, shameless self promo, go to Target and snatch your squishy kit. I'll link it down below. This one is like Literally, is this empty? What the heck is this? Hold on. I am so confused. Ew, what the heck is this? It says Earwax candle kit. This is not, is this a thing? Wait, what the hell? Oh my God, okay, Craft City is on a stretcher. You make a candle with your earwax? Is this like for real? This is freaking disgusting. What the heck? Wait, I am dead. It says pranked you and it says don't get too excited, your real gift is inside. This is actually so freaking smart. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm keeping this. I'm totally gonna re-gift somebody this. Somebody that doesn't watch my videos. Does my mom watch my videos? Look at this picture. That is so disgusting. It shows like who the person is and it's talking about all these crafts that you can do. That she's a retail queen. They're like having dinner on here. And then it shows other kits that she has. Cat hair knitting kit. Toenail jewelry kit. Extract earwax anywhere, anytime. He's like working, making pizza and extracting his earwax. I want to barf. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, I can't even look at it. Something about it's like, ugh. I'm so gonna give this to somebody, hands down. Ooh, last but not least. Oh, is this real? What? This is freaking disgusting. Is this actually real? There's something in here. This is, what the heck? A wheel fresh clean. Okay, now this is what I needed when I had my long nails. Somebody to wipe my booty. Who the heck invented this? It says soft touch. This is gonna literally rip my, like, I don't understand. Okay, wait, there's different purposes. This is a joke. So you can use it for multiple things. You can use it on the toilet to wipe you, and then you could also, what? You can make quick work of vegetables, like peel them. They're peeling a potato on the toilet. I am like so confused right now. This one is like giving you a manicure on the toilet. This one's washing your dishes. And then it also wipes your butt, so I'm like, soft touch my, yeah, right, okay. This is like one of those things that you see on 1,000 Ways to Die. Okay, what the heck? Stay clean anywhere. There's a mini one, sold separately, okay. Oh my God, it's another one of those boxes. So it's a okay, I'm seeing what's happening. What the heck is this? Okay, I get what's going on. So this is one of those boxes that it's fake, and I was really tricked. Like, I was tripped out, and I thought it was actually real because I felt something inside. I'm like trying to take all of this in at once. This is the craziest thing. Zombie slippers. I just want to know what Raul was thinking when he ordered these things. I hate to say it, but I feel like I'm gonna wear these every freaking day. I love flip-flops, slippers. Like, I'm literally wearing them 24/7. And as ugly as they are, I'm gonna be wearing them every day. Okay, I feel like all of these gifts are literally just made to troll. Like, there's no way on earth people actually buy any of this, like, just for fun. Like, what the heck is this? Ew, and then your toes were sweat, because it's literally like, it's like latex or rubber. Oh my gosh, these feel so weird. Oh my god, no, it feels so weird. It literally, like, the way it's made, you know how the toes are 3D? Well, the inside is also just like, I feel like it was just like some kind of mold type of thing, because it's not comfortable on the inside. Like, I feel all those little like holes. It feels really weird, and it's like tickling me. I can't do it, it feels weird. I'm like the most ticklish person on my feet. Oh my god, ew, it feels so weird. They're freaking disgusting. They're so ugly. I'm like, oh my god, I know who I'm gonna give them to my dad. I feel like my dad watches my videos, but like he just glances at them. Like, I don't feel like he actually sits through them, so I'm legit gonna give them to my dad for Christmas. They're so weird, like I don't even know how the heck to react to them. But hands down, the craziest one has been this one, because I really thought it was like for sure a thing.
Wait, there's one more.
Huh?
There's one more.
There's one where? Wait, did I miss one?
It's right here.
Is this it?
Yep.
Wait, okay, so there's one more. Oh, so this is one of those pillows that you like move it. Oh, I'm like scared. Okay, I'm not even gonna look, I'm just gonna do it. What is it? Like, what could it be, you know? I don't know what to expect. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, this is actually freaking iconic. Who does this? Wait, is this that guy Nicolas Cage? This is actually so funny. This is the coolest one for sure. I'm not regifting. This one I'm keeping to myself because legend. This is the funniest thing ever. The fact that it's like zoomed in too is so funny. This is actually the best one. Like this, if I saw this in stores, I would buy it for myself. I hope you guys enjoyed these weird gifts. I don't even know what the heck was my favorite one. No, actually, hands down, this was my favorite right here. What the heck? Like, who the heck thinks of Screaming Goat? All these, the weirdest one. The weirdest one was the earwax box, like, concerning. I hope you guys enjoyed this little weird gift unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, click that like button, comment down below which one was the weirdest one to you. Thanks for watching. Happy Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.